this afternoon I just left Jeff and Chang's Chua's house in Tyler. So I'm here in Lake Tyler right now. Gonna be camping here for a few nights, and I just want to show you. Hopefully it's clear here. They gave me a lot of groceries, a lot of snacks, and some pandesal and some ulam. I got some of the Chang's special chicken dish, and also rice. I also have some fried chicken. So hopefully it's clear here. It's getting dark, so I'm using my flashlight. And also the pork dish that she made earlier. I'm gonna be posting all those recipes. Hopefully I will have time to upload them and have some more data, but I already uploaded some video episodes to my channel using their Wi-Fi, so hopefully I'll have enough data to continue uploading videos. But she also gave they also gave me let me check it because it's dark here. I didn't have time to set up anything. It's already getting dark. It's already past 6. Some of that Christmas and plastic spoon and fork, and some Girl Scout cookies. Now I got a lot of Girl Scout cookies, chips, more chips. So there's plenty of snacks. They're all down here in the, and it's even some canned goods. I got a lot of canned goods. Chicken. I have a lot of. There's also some noodles, canned soup. I know there's some canned meat someplace. It's all down there. I didn't have time to set up. Oh, there's even the sardines. Yay! Sardines. And then more soups. No, they have a lot more different ones. More sardines. And there's sausage. So I would like to thank them for hosting me. I slept there overnight, and we had a lot of fun talking because they all came from UP, University of the Philippines, Diliman. So they're like alumni or alumni. I don't know how to pronounce that one. So we came from the same university system in Diliman, Quezon City. We have the same degrees, chemistry. Both of them also have chemistry degrees. So that's why they were able to track me down on YouTube and ask me if I can visit them. So that's why I was able to visit. I was able to find them, and we had a lot of talks about, the good old UP Diliman chemistry department. So anyway, there's a lot of stuff. They didn't want to be interviewed, but at least I was able to get some cooking videos, so I'll be uploading those too once I get the video editing. So tonight I'm staying here at the camp, and it's dark, so I'll take videos probably tomorrow for the Lake Tyler. And I drove around. There's some videos there, but I'll also try to see if I can get more details. Maybe tomorrow when it's brighter and off. If it's not gonna rain, the forecast might rain tomorrow. Okay, dinner time. I'm gonna start eating the food because I haven't switched on my refrigerator, so I'll just eat them as soon as I can. Okay, see ya in a bit. Bye. Okay, hopefully you can see this. I've been eating the Chang noodle. Now I remembered they call this a Chang noodle. Like a noodle that Chang made, so they call it Chang noodle. So it's still good. It's cold, so it's not gonna go bad, but I'm gonna eat the whole thing. It's yummy. So they said they should eat this first because it's tomato based. So this will the first one to go if I'm not gonna eat as soon as I can, but it's almost done. So I'm gonna post the recipe, the cooking recipe. The background will be, there will be of course background, we're talking Filipino, but hopefully it will be clear when I spoke in English that you know what she did. But this is the end product. So most likely I'm gonna post first the recipe video, depending on how I start my video editing. Hopefully tomorrow there's sunshine and I can even start video editing early. But it's good. We didn't even need to heat it since it's already dark. I don't want to be heating up the food. Even going outside, set up a table, because I think there's already mosquitoes. I could feel it on my legs. So since it's lake and it's already warm, probably the mosquitoes will start coming out. But it's good. There's a trash can like 100 feet from here. I'll just throw all this trash after I finish. That way I have space in my car. They gave me 2 bags of food, so I better start eating the fresh ones first before the other ones. They even give me I think chocolate dessert. I don't know where I put it. It's one of these bags. There's only 2 bags, so it'll be easy to find. Hopefully I know where I put it. Maybe it's on the other side where the snacks are. It's like brittle, dark chocolate brittle, and I think it's one of those fruit covered chocolate. So those are healthy foods. I'm gonna eat them for snacks, or after this food I'm gonna use it as dessert. So healthy food. And I have hot shower this morning at their house. So when there's free shower, we go. Still good. Thank you. Good morning. I don't know if it's clear, but this is my first morning here at Lake Tyler, and the breakfast is the pork steak, bacheng, and pandesal. So more here. So we'll see you, and again, thank you, Cheng and Jeff. And I'm gonna be eating my breakfast. Fun or not? Fun. Time is breakfast. So dessert, chocolate brittle, dark chocolate, and chocolate covered fruit. Grand courtesy of Jeff and Chang. It's a lot. And that's it. I wasn't able to eat this one as for dessert because I misplaced it and it was already dark, and I have to brush my toothbrush. So I always say brush my tooth before the mosquitoes start biting, because now mosquitoes here are early, and one of them was able to get in my car last night. I killed it, of course, but here, because this is near the lake maybe, and it's already started to warm up. Yesterday it went up to 80, I think, and today forecast is rain and started to drizzle, but it's still okay. So I want to go out there and go on foot and check the lake. And the people who were got their stereo on last night switched it off like late at night at around 9:30, so I was able to sleep well, and it wasn't too bad for the temperature. It was in the 70s, but inside the car, of course, it gets warmer than the outside temperature. It was a little warm, but after a while, I only use my blanket for sleeping, so it means it's a little bit warmer. I didn't have to use my comforter, so it's good. And today it's gonna be, I think, colder than yesterday. So because I don't know if because of the rain or it's supposed to be the cold front is coming. It's gonna pass through Texas today, Sunday. So we'll see. Hopefully it's not gonna be too cold, but I don't think it's gonna go below freezing. So it's gonna be comfortable camping. Okay, see ya, bye. Egg and pandesal for lunch in this sunny day. I'm just kidding about the sunny day. It's actually raining. You can see, I don't know if you can hear the raindrops on the roof, but I have I got one of the eggs shelled already. I'll probably eat the other one after I eat this. So have a nice day, even if it's a rainy day. Bye bye. Okay, for dessert, after I ate the two boiled eggs and two pandesals, which is the salted bread common in the Philippines, I just eat the chocolate covered fruit and the dark chocolate brittle, and the leftover pandesal. When you bite it, it's like a dessert. Instead of chocolate spread, you just eat it separately and then mix it in your mouth. Then you got a good, it's like a dessert sandwich. The fruit inside the chocolate, I'm guessing it's cranberry or it could be blueberry, but once you chew it, it's sticky. It's like a gelatin, jelly-like consistency, so it's chewy. But with the dark chocolate brittle, I think it's got almonds and it's crunchy. We still have a lot. I'll be eating this for a long time. Again, thank you to Chang and Jeff for the hard-boiled eggs and the pandesal and the chocolate dessert. It looks like this is eating episode. For dinner, fried chicken. This is I think it's a KFC that I got from courtesy of Chang and Jeff. So dinner time is already, let me see, 5:30 and it's still raining, so I didn't cook anything outside or heat up anything, so I'm just eating cold fried chicken and it's good. Okay, and I just want to thank you hopefully you would subscribe to my channel. Fun or not, it was fun for me coming over here to Lake Tyler. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye.